Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be doing a small haul of a few beauty products such as makeup and skincare that I recently got or received that I didn't know spontaneously came to my doorstep and stuff. So yeah, let's get right into the video. So I'm going to first start off with the items I got from Ulta, because that's where most of these stuff came from. I'm going to be including a few stuff from my earlier vlog too to make this a little bigger because I only have a few items. So I got the Ordinary Vitamin C Suspension 23% plus Spheres 2%. It's this one. And I've already used this actually. And it feels pretty nice. It feels like you're kind of rubbing like sandpaper on your skin. I don't know if that's supposed to be how it is, but that's what it feels like to me, honestly. And I also got this squalane cleanser because I was running out of my cleanser that I usually use. So I picked this one up. And so far, it's very gentle and it's like a cream consistency. And I got another Ordinary item, and this is the niacinamide 10% plus zinc 1%, and I actually have this already. I just kind of needed a refill because I was running low on my other one. But this one is actually really good and I do really like it. They all come in like really cute packaging, and it's so nice to have like a fresh new bottle of like new skincare. I feel like it's always nice. And I love the packaging on this. And one of the bigger items I got, and I am super excited to actually get this, and I can't wait to use it, honestly. And I will be posting a video about this soon, about like my review and if it really is worth the hype and all the stuff that everybody has when it like first came out. It happened to be on sale, so I just bought it. And the thing that I'm most excited for is the James Charles palette. I'm super excited because I want to like work with more colors, and I only have like one like very multicolored eyeshadow palette, which is the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. So I'm super excited to try out a new very colorful palette, and I was very happy when I received this. None of the shadows shattered. I just wanted to like check that out. But other than that, I didn't touch any of the shadows or like anything else to inspect it too much. So it would be like a nice fresh first impressions for my next video. And this is super exciting and I can't wait to use it. I'm like so happy about this. It's a lot bigger than I expected to, but I'm like so excited to use this soon, and like I just can't wait to honestly just work with it and stuff. So stay tuned for a James Charles first impressions coming up. Next, this stuff I like showed in my last video, but I'm gonna show it again to make it a little bigger haul and stuff, because this was like all kind of recent during this time and stuff, which was I got a Milk Makeup mini cheek stick. I got a NYX white liner, and I just got Sephora like lippy too, a blue lippy. These two are for graphic lining and stuff, and this is just a really nice cute blush I wanted to use and pick up stuff. So far, I really enjoy all these products. And the last thing to this mini haul is I would say kind of like a PR package, or like receiving a package for like review and stuff, and which is I got the Influencer Bumble and Bumble hairdresser's invisible oil mask for your hair and stuff. And I didn't know I was receiving this till like my brother brought it to me and said I had a package. So that was really exciting. I love receiving packages and I can't wait to use this too. So far this is super cute and comes in like super cute packaging. Hopefully this works really well. So far by like the pictures and stuff, it looks really nice and I can't wait to defrizz my hair because I have that problem and it's supposed to be very moisturizing, which should be really well on my hair considering I do work at like a beach kind of summer camp, so I have to be washing my hair like every single day because it gets really gross with the ocean water and stuff. So hopefully this will make my hair less dry and better looking. But I'm super excited to use this. And yeah. That's it to like the mini kind of makeup and skincare haul. If you guys did enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'm gonna be leaving my social media down below, like my Instagram and TikTok. Hopefully TikTok doesn't get banned. If it does, I'll be super sad because TikTok is like one of those amazing advice giving apps and like it's just fun. And yeah, I think that's it. See you guys next time. Bye.